In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend data on Looker Studio. Navigating the vast sea of data visualization and analysis, one crucial skill you'll want to have in your arsenal is blending data in Looker Studio. This process combines data from different sources, allowing you to gain comprehensive insights and make well-informed decisions. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to Looker Studio's website at lookerstudio.google.com. The homepage of Looker Studio is where your journey begins. Here you'll find various options and resources to explore, but our first step is to ensure you're properly logged in. In the top right corner, you'll find the Login option. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email, then proceed to the next field where you'll input your password. After entering your password, click on the Login button to access your Looker Studio dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for one following the prompts. After logging in, you'll be brought to the Looker Studio dashboard. This is where all your data visualization work begins. Your first task here will be to navigate to the Looker Studio report section, which can be done by clicking on the Looker Studio link. Now it's time to start creating your project. Look for the option labelled Blank Report and click on it. This creates a new empty canvas for you to work on, a space where you can blend data from various sources and turn them into insightful visualizations. Next, let's bring in some data. Click on the Google Sheets option as your data source. This allows you to pull data directly from any Google Sheets document you have access to. For our example, let's pretend we're working with a sheet named Clients. Click on the Clients sheet to select it. With the Clients sheet selected, we need to add another data set to blend with it. To do this, click on Add, which brings you back to the data source selection. Let's say we want to blend our client data with another set called Transactions. You would locate and select Transactions the same way you did with the Clients sheet. After selecting your datasets, it's crucial to define how these datasets will be combined. This is where you highlight the common field between them, often called a join key. This field could be anything from client IDs to transaction dates. Click on the field you wish to use as your join key to ensure it's highlighted and recognized as the blending anchor. Once your data is properly selected and joined, it's time to manage and customize this blend further. Look for the option titled Resource in the top menu and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Blends. This opens up a new menu where you can see all your current blends and have the option to create new ones. In the Manage Blends section, click on ADD a Blend to start customizing your data blend. This is where you can fine-tune how your data is combined, specify which fields you wish to include from each data set, and how they should interact. Through blending data in Looker Studio, you unlock new dimensions of analysis and visualization. This powerful feature allows you to merge diverse data sets into a cohesive story, highlighting trends, correlations, and insights that were previously hidden. When crafting your data blend, remember the importance of selecting relevant data sets and joining keys that meaningfully connect these sets. Each decision you make in this process influences the accuracy and relevance of your resulting visualizations. The process of blending data may initially seem daunting, but with practice, it becomes an intuitive and essential part of your data analysis toolkit. As you familiarize yourself with Looker Studio and its blending capabilities, you'll find it increasingly straightforward to merge data sets for deeper insights. Congratulations! You now have a foundational understanding of how to blend data using Looker Studio. Armed with this knowledge, you're well on your way to crafting detailed, insightful data visualizations that can inform your decisions and strategies. Remember, the key to successful data blending and analysis is experimentation. Don't hesitate to try blending various data sets, exploring different join keys, and adjusting your blends to discover new insights. That's all for today's tutorial on how to blend data in Looker Studio. Thank you for joining me, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your data visualization skills. Happy blending!